Is your sink faucet looking like this? But you really desire it to look more like this? If so, keep on watching, my friend, and I will show you how. In a previous video from about a year ago, I demonstrated how to remove these stains using apple cider vinegar. Check it out here. Thank you so much for the over 1 million views on this video. After receiving inquiries in the comments from some of you friends who were curious about whether white distilled vinegar is effective as well, I'm back with the answer, so stay tuned. Here's what you need to get started. A cotton cloth or strong paper towel, which is what I'm using in this video, dish soap, a small cleaning brush, a dry microfiber towel for polishing, white distilled vinegar with at least 5% acid level. This is what will help to dissolve all the hard water deposit and is the key product here. This is just a disclaimer, y'all. Vinegar is acidic and will damage black matte faucets and also edge surfaces made of stone, granite, marble, so do not use it on such surfaces or areas. Let's get to the cleaning now. First, pour some white vinegar into a small bowl. You will need enough vinegar to soak the cloth or paper towel. Next, dip the paper towel in vinegar and wrap it around the stained faucet area like I'm doing here. Okay, do not miss this part, alright? In order to make sure it really works and gets into all the stained spots, the paper towel must touch the hard water stains completely. Leave the product to soak for 2 to 3 hours, but remember to check every 30 minutes or after an hour because some hard water stains, they come off faster, especially if they are not old. That way you won't leave your faucet to soak longer than needed. Shout out to Ed for this tip. Let's check how the vinegar worked out. As you can see, most of the stains are already gone, which is good. Now use a cleaning brush or sponge to gently scrub the faucet and then rinse thoroughly to remove any remaining vinegar residue. For your information, I do have more videos on removing hard water stains on other areas in the house. Check it out here. Now use a clean dry microfiber towel to wipe and polish the faucet and make sure it's completely dry. And there you have it, friends, a simple and effective method to remove hard water stains on faucets using vinegar. Look at the transformation, y'all. It's amazing. You can try this at home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Bye.